African view of the Atlantic Ocean. African view of the Atlantic Ocean, man. We call this African view of the Atlantic Ocean. The paranoid of the sea is coming closer every day. Take over Omoba's building. This is a formerly a very big building where people used to stay. Can you see that? Can you see that? At this side. It's called Benin Republic, man. You wanna dive? Don't dive inside though. Don't dive inside, man. Just because of coconuts. The coconut, I'm sure, is not fresh. It might be rotten or just dropped today. The African view of the Atlantic Ocean.